So for all those people, my name is Michael. I keep laughing in the middle of my name. I'm forcing myself to do this so we could get it over with. So we're gonna film a cute little look while we chill, you know what I mean? A little chit chat, chill with us. Maybe get to know us, even though there's none of you yet. There's only 1 subscriber. Yeah, I'm gonna do her makeup. I'm a makeup artist. But, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the primer. We might even start with some of this just to be safe. Can you see your face? I'm gonna just like pop your little part right here. The Gold Matte Fix Plus. I'm gonna be using Nissas foundation. She loves the, make no mistake, I think it's like super full coverage, if I'm not mistaken.
Super full coverage, it's a medium coverage. You know, full.
She knows. But it's cute. Where's my beauty blender? She's like blending in to something. Don't tell me she's from. Nissa!
What color?
Pause.
Okay, we're gonna have to edit this out because I need a burp.
Okay, your face go outwards. Cause you know what? The face doesn't need too much coverage towards the outer part. Okay, I'm really happy with this base. I'm gonna bronze you and contour before I conceal. And we're gonna go ahead and take our Anastasia foundation stick in Cool Golden. So if you don't have this, you need to get it. It's literally like 20 bucks. And it's so good. KKW in the shade 5. Right up against the nose. And we're not going up to the eye, because that's what makes it look cakey. So we're gonna just stay right here, where the darkness is, where the dark things go. Ooh, yeah, okay. So we're getting this real nice and deep like. Okay, she's looking very lifted, very bright. We're gonna continue to the forehead and maybe the chin.
I'm gonna grab these.
Do you ever feel like the back of your knees sweating and like the sweat drips down your calf and that's how you know because you can feel it dripping? That's not pretty great. What the? Also, get the real beauty blender. Actually, no, because these ones work just as good. Maybe better, but.
Oh, this is the real one?
I'm just like very bougie.
Wait, what do you mean? What do they call them?
Beauty blenders. This brand is called Beauty Blenders. That's Real Techniques. Okay. It's just called a beauty sponge.
I'm like, so it is.
Kind of like the generic, but it also works really good. Like that brand, like where is it? I'm not gonna show it here like that, but that one that Adriana has, that shit's crazy. That's like some real crazy shit.
Oh, the one.
You get that pointy hold on, let's just see like, what does that look like? Who's this?
My butt plug, y'all.
One size fits all.
Yes. We share it.
You put chinny chin chin. Okay.
Boom. Oh, this is cute.
Yeah.
Fenty Beauty Universal.
Fenty. Oh, they're dropping concealers in a couple of days, and I saw the review already, and they look really good, and I'm gonna get them.
Get that really quick.
I'm gonna set, so don't look down until I tell you you look down.
I'm so sorry.
Perfect. Thank you. We want it matte because we don't need a full matte face. Cardboard. Okay, for your other eye. Sprays your hair.
I know, I didn't do anything.
Really? I don't like how the spray is kind of. I feel like it sprays chunks.
That's how I felt too with the last one I had.
What do you mean? You don't really with that one?
No, not really.
That one's better? Okay.
I feel like once they get old, they like it like that.
You said old? Did you
older,
just
like
bite that?
Yeah. That's why it doesn't do that.
So this video is really just for this bronzer. I just wanted to really use it on camera to say I used it and be like, it's on camera on YouTube. So we're gonna use NARS Lacuna, but this is like the diffused. This isn't the matte one. It's like not matte. It's just really good for all over the face. It doesn't look like anything really besides like warmth. So I just kind of like to dust it everywhere. It's light reflecting, it's pore refining. She's a cute girl. I'm gonna contour with MAC Wedge because that's all it's good for. And we're gonna just like really concentrate.
Oh, I love that brush.
You know what I mean? We're gonna just press that nose shape in and then blend it later because I feel like I need this nose to work. There we go. So kind of a little 1 line, 2 line. Blend her out a little bit. Okay. Let me see if you can even look at. Now we're gonna just do a little bake. Oh yeah, we'll get that off. Get that off there. I'm gonna go along the nose. Shout out James Charles, he taught me this trick and it works. And then we're gonna just get the rest right into here, but we're not gonna get too close to the eye. Look, this color is just going into the skin.
I'm on.
We're gonna get a little cheek cut. A little cut to the cheeks there. Let me see the other side, turn that way. And then we're gonna do the classic. My girl Annie.
This is so cute.
My girl Annie's gonna come through, friends. That is so cute. Yeah, why don't you pick out some browns that you like? Because they're all like the same. So find the ones that speak to you the most. I literally have all my Jeffree Star Cosmetics brown eyeshadows in one palette because I don't like all those other colors really, but I love the formula.
Cute. And it's
so
pink.
Yeah, it's just like the go-to. Let me just like brighten right under here with the brightening powder, the banana powder from Annie. My girl Annie Beverly Hills. Okay.
My girl Stas.
My girl Stassi. Shout out Stassi BH.
I remember when she first came out with her eyebrow stuff.
Yeah.
That shit quick. I was like, I need to do my eyebrows. When I saw it.
Okay.
Oh shit.
So we're gonna start with the medium toned brown. And we're gonna just kind of like put that everywhere. I kind of like to like blow it all like out a little bit. So we're gonna like wing it upwards and out. Just like no extra product. Just like wing that. And just like down here. Oh, that's looking cute. Okay, we're gonna just put a deeper brown in there now. Just to kind of like depth. Just add some depth. Keep blending, just keep blending, you know what I mean? Just always keep blending.
What do you mean?
Just like that.
Oh, that's so cute.
You know what I mean? Just keep on blending her. She's gonna just keep moving. She'll keep on getting softer as you blend. And I like to wing it out. Straight upwards. There we go, just like that. Close her. There we go. Just like that. And then just give her like a cute blend with that darker shade on the lash line.
Your cat's
She's so irritated. And then we're gonna just add this shimmer shade. We're gonna choose this to brighten up a little bit, so we're gonna add it to the inner portion of her oval. I think something's funny, and I must have missed it. Yeah. I'm all like resting on your shoulder. Just highlight your brow bone a little bit. Just give her some like pop there.
Oh. Good catch. Oh.
Okay, cute as fuck. We're gonna do the other eye off camera and we're gonna be right back. Okay, cute.
Oh.
So we're gonna highlight the face. If I can find the brush for it. And we're just using, it's like a Becca highlighter, champagne pop, but it's broken and it's mixed with Artist Couture. I'm not gonna show you.
Don't do that.
Just take. It was the vape.
My pencil.
What is that noise? I think all we have left to do is some lipping. Should we use Coffee and Kisses or I kind of feel like
I think Love Bite.
Love Bite looks good.
Yeah.
Give me a little quick little. Thank you. Thanks for that.
We're gonna throw on some Leslie lashes.
We're using Leslie lashes today. Locals can get them at Leslie's Thread. It's like right up the street from my house. And some lip glossing. Yo, pop up with lashes in that.
I know.
Okay, lips now are so big and juicy.
She's looking real cute.
It only took an hour and like 2 hours. 2 hours.
It only took 5 hours and 40
minutes. 5 hours.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Well, thank you so much, Michael. Michael did that.
Michael did on Instagram. Ooh, I'm gonna link it. Ooh,
yeah, ooh,
I'm gonna link it in the bio. Like. Description box, not the bio.
Thumbs up only, bitch.
Thumbs up only.
If not, get the fuck out of here. Please.
And subscribe. Okay, bitch. Look up. Like, look straight. Look up. Yeah, do what you were. You already doing it. You already doing something.